Today we are going to talk about three-phase transformers and the operation of three-phase transformers. Three-phase transformers are used throughout the industry to change values of three-phase voltage and current. Since three-phase power is the most common way in which power is produced, transmitted, and used, an understanding of how three-phase transformer connections are made is essential. Three-phase transformers are constructed by winding three single-phase transformers on a single core. Three-phase transformers are connected in delta or Y configurations. A Y-delta transformer, for example, has its primary winding connected in a Y and its secondary winding connected in delta. A delta Y transformer would have its primary winding connected in delta and its secondary connected in Y. Connecting single-phase transformers into a three-phase bank keep the three-phase transformation is needed, and a three-phase transformer of the proper size and turns ratio is not available. Three single-phase transformers can be connected to form a three-phase bank. When three single-phase transformers are used to make a three-phase transformer bank, their primary and secondary are connected in Y or delta connection. Closing a delta. When closing a delta, connections should be checked for proper polarity before making the final connection and applying power. If the phase winding of the transformer is reversed, an extremely high current will flow when power is applied. Proper phasing can be checked with a digital multimeter. Three-phase transformer calculations are used to compute the values of voltage and current in three-phase transformer calculations. Open delta transformer connections can be made with only two transformers instead of three. This connection is often used when the amount of three-phase power needed is not excessive, such as in a small business. It should be noted that the output power of an open delta connection is only 86% of the rated power of the two transformers. When true phase loads are connected to a three-phase transformer bank, there are no problems in balancing the currents and voltages of the individual phases. Three-phase transformer connections are often used to supply single-phase loads, which tends to imbalance the system. Notice that in an open delta three-phase system, the center tap is used as neutral. Other configuration connections include the delta Y connection is a three-phase transformer connection with a delta connected primary and a Y secondary. The T connection involves the use of two transformers to supply three-phase power. The Scott connection is another configuration using two transformers used to supply three-phase power. The zigzag connection is used to convert three-phase power to two-phase power using two single-phase transformers. The zigzag connection or interconnected Y transformer is primarily used for grounding purposes. It is used to establish a neutral point for the grounding or fault current. The zigzag connection is basically a three-phase auto transformer whose windings are divided into 6 equal parts. Thank you, and please like, share and subscribe.